This is it. This is the secret in which some businesses thrive and some businesses tank. This is the key component, the secret sauce. And it all comes down to this: your value ladder. If you're wondering why your competitors are making more money than you and other law firms are getting more ahead than you, it's usually because of your value ladder or lack of one. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what a value ladder is, why you need one for your practice, and stick around to the end because I'm going to walk you through exactly the value ladder you can use for your law firm specifically. All this is really organizing all of your stuff and putting it in a step system. So that way you know exactly where your potential clients are going or where your current clients are going and where you want them to go. That's all it is. I'll show you the graphic here. Okay, so this is all it is for any business. At the bottom, it's the free stuff. And this is where most potential clients come into your world. This is where you can put your lead magnets, your videos. That's where all of this stuff comes in. Everything that I've been talking about just now comes into your value ladder. So say I need an estate planning attorney and I download your lead magnet. Boom, I enter your world. I'm on these lower steps. And it's up to you to bump me up the ladder, to get me up there, to become a paying client. And so ultimately become a lifelong client, right? Or whatever it is, your service that you really want every single client to have, the dream client. So depending on where everybody lands on your ladder, and everybody's can be different. Some people might be more urgent and want to land right up here because they need more help. So how many opportunities should you provide people to get on your ladder? At least 6, at least. And this is where your lead magnets come in. There needs to be at least 6 different opportunities through your website, social media. So let's talk about your specific ladder for elder law and estate planning attorneys. If I were an elder law and estate planning attorney, this is what the ladder would look like. Depending on how many services I have, I'd have another step right up here. So the first step is to bait them in. You bait them in with all that free stuff that they don't have to give you an email for, right? This is all stuff that they find off your social media, that they find off your website. This is free stuff. That's why those are so important. The more free stuff you can offer, the better. The second step, so once I'm on your website and I'm looking at videos, I'm like, oh, this is great. This guy really knows what he's talking about, and I'm already learning so much for free. And then I see your ebook, or I see that you have a webinar. Like, ooh, I'm going to sign up for that. That's worth it. That's worth giving my email out. So I'm not really aware of you. I'm just aware of your information. So you get my email. So then you can put me on your newsletter, your sales sequence, and the next step after that would be being a paying client. And that's where, of course, everybody wants the potential client to turn into the paying client. And this is where it's really broad for you guys, because you have basic services and you have advanced services. So that's the next step after getting someone's email. And then the last step, the ultimate step, is getting them to be a lifetime client where they are giving you a yearly revenue. That could be through client care, with yearly billing. The sky's the limit. But which step is the most important step? It's this one. It's not the top one. It's the third, or the one right in the middle, where they become basically the basic client. This is where you need to focus, guys, because where they go from there is going to make all the difference. So say you have a paying client and all they want is like the bare bones. They just want a will. That's it. They don't have the funds to go up, or they just aren't ready to go up. What you need to do is make sure they have plenty of wiggle room to go down instead of just backing up completely and not being your client anymore. Give them other options. Give them other options that they might be able to afford so they can downsell. And give them plenty of options so they can upsell. Now, every practice is different. So what you need to ask yourself is, which area do you want to focus on the ladder? If you say you need more clients coming in, you need more people coming in the door, then you need to focus on leads, the bottom steps of the ladder, the lead magnets, the building your email list, those 2 steps will be important for you to focus on. But say you're saying, oh, I've got plenty of clients, but they're not going anywhere, or they're backing out and I need to keep them here. That's when you need to focus on your upsells. This clip is straight out of the coaching group that we have, Level Up Elite. If you would like to learn how to market your own law firm, please join the other elder law and estate planning attorneys in our coaching group, Level Up Elite. Click the button below to join our group.